Hello people, welcome back to LanceDIY. I don't know what to say.
My bathroom ain't been done in 5,000 years.
Disregard that. How long has it been? 10?
Dinosaur age, I don't know. Over 10 plus.
This room right here might not have been done for 10 years. Maybe. Just saying.
Hold on to your seats.
It's a moment. We're gonna soak this up a little bit. So, yeah, I think it's been at least a decade. 10 years, man. So, what's behind the door? Door number 1. The bathroom. Now, don't be judging me, people. Alright, I'm gonna shut that off. Can't do that. Alright. Yeah, I think it's been over 10 years. But it is what it is. So, what we're gonna do today, or what we're gonna do in this episode, there's a lot of stuff in here that I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a lot of different projects in here. And we're just going to take it one by one. So, right now, we're going to take the heat register. We're going to take the heat register. We're going to take this guy here. We're going to take this heat register. We're actually going to put it inside the wall. The reason why is because when you step out of the shower, bam, it's right there, you know? So when you come out of the tub or the shower, heat register is right there. So we're going to put that into the wall. And then the other thing that's weird about this bathroom is that the furnace is on the other side. The volume of pressure that comes this way on that vent is amazing. So what we're going to do, this side here is the kitchen. We're actually going to bring in that pipe. We're going to bring it up. We're going to have a 4x12 register right here. Wall register. We're going to take and we're going to put a T on it. And we're going to tee it over and make a toe cake in the kitchen. So that way, for any pressure that we don't use in here, it's going to throw it out in the kitchen. Because this room is so hot or really cold, depending on time of year. The furnace is working. So, we're going to do that. Shower. You can see right now we just got the shower curtains hanging up. But, I'm thinking shelves right here. I'm thinking one here and one here for a shelf. So we're gonna go can lights. Gotta get can lights above the tub. Now that is a sprinkler head. So what happens, if you wanted to, you can actually have the water come down this way. Only way I can do that is have that plumbing up in the ceiling. Then that way you can just stand underneath of it. I'll show you them before I take it down. But let's see what we got. That's your tub and shower arrangement. Fan. Kind of cool. And then we got this guy. That's a dog wash. Like that. That's coming out everywhere. And then you got this valve here. So hopefully you can see that. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shower heads going on right now. To be honest with you, never used it. So we're gonna take it apart. The ceiling one's coming down because for me, this arrangement is just not good. My next house, I'll probably have it up there. As long as I don't have an attic above, I'll probably do it. But, well, I gotta take that down. We're gonna leave that there. We're gonna do a 36-inch vanity right here. And then my arrangement here, what I have here, I got 4 switches, 2 outlets right there. And if you come over here, that's for the vanity. That's for the exhaust fan light. Now, the exhaust fan, these cane lights are linked. The reason why is because for anyone taking a shower, they're going to want to use that light. And that is the reason why the can light is linked with the exhaust fan, controlled by this dimmer switch. So if you want to tone it down, you can. So, and these shelves right here. On these shelves right here, I think I got something cool to do here. So we're gonna find out. But definitely got to do some research on this. But I think I got a real cool way of putting these shelves up in the tub. So, and we might be doing a glass block window right across as well. So, and of course, new tile, new vinyl, all that. We'll pick that stuff up, get out of here. So that's it. It's gonna happen. After 10 years, this bathroom is gonna be done. I'm gonna take it step by step, item by item. Next thing you know, I'm gonna be done. So, pretty exciting.